platform has a sale. And when I say sale, that's $150, you guys. $150. This is $350. I mean, I think we ought to just try some stuff on. We didn't come in for tops, but you know what? When it's on sale, we make the most. Slight boob readjustment. Give me a second. We're gonna fix this. Look at this. Guess how much this is? 200 bob? I almost want to buy 2 of these. And look, I'm not wearing a bra, which may or may not be an issue for some of you guys. For me, I don't care. In fact, I miss the days of fully not wearing a bra and not caring. But this still covers me, and you can't quite see my areola, right? I mean, I can't see it, so. If I'm being very realistic, I don't know where in Nairobi I will comfortably wear this. Maybe to an event. Also, Amani is my personal assistant. You guys have no idea. She's forcing me to pay 100 bob a day.
That's not too bad. That's not too bad.
Yeah, actually, it's not bad at all. I'm gonna wear my glasses. Look cool. Okay. Ready? Let's take one and then.
If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.
This is too much work. I give up. I've twirled way too many times. Maybe I'm just not meant to twirl. Maybe I should just sit down. Let's do a different shot.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey.
You guys, look at that. Blue eyeshadow. Who am I? I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna explain myself. So I'm busy living my life, doing my thing, and then I start watching a Beyoncé concert. I'm sure all you guys watched it. Coachella, Beachella, hello. And I decide, hey, as I'm watching it for the 3rd time, let me do my makeup because I had a video to film, which you must have seen by now, and if you haven't, make sure you go watch it. So I'm watching B do her thing on stage. Next thing I know, I've got blue eyeshadow. I'm just like, go hard or go home. That's what Beyoncé does to you. You just wanna be extra. I just feel like I want to conquer the world, and in fact, because of her, I've decided that I'm just gonna vlog every day of the week for the rest of this month. Because if Beyoncé could kill it at Coachella like she did, as a mom of 3, 2 of whom are twins, then the rest of us have no excuse. Like, we just need to give it our all, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. If I fall off the bandwagon next week, please don't crucify me, okay? I'm sorry in advance, but I don't think I will. I have the strength of Beyoncé behind me, so we're just gonna win at life. I barely go out of my comfort zone when it comes to makeup, but blue, we went blue, and not just any blue, but like a cobalt blue with a little bit of silver and some, oh, it's a lot, but Beyoncé made me do it. I'm sure by this evening I'll be back to my usual self and just plain Jane. Anyway guys, I'll see you tomorrow. So, I originally wanted to start this vlog with a bang, but I feel like I'm gonna, you know how when you go hard, you've had like a super exciting day and you sort of just mellow down and you end up crashing? I feel like I crashed after watching Beyoncé's performance. It's as if I am Beyoncé and we're both going through a crash. But I'm coming at you with my plant pot paint, project. Alliteration, hello. I also want you to know that this may not be the best paint job you've ever seen in your life. In fact, it might just be the worst because I went ahead and potted the plants without considering the fact that I needed to paint the pots first. And I don't want to depot them. Deport. I don't want to deport them. Deport, you get it? That's so lame. I feel like I just cracked a Patricia joke. So the colors I chose are white, black, which I think is what I'll go for. I'll mostly just use these, but I do have 3 other colors. The first is green, and then we've got this, on camera, the color isn't what it looks like on camera. Very, very different colors. It's much darker and more moody in real life. And then we've got olive green. And then the last one is this berry tone. We're gonna start painting right now. Let's start painting.
Okay, I think this first phase is pretty much done. I'm feeling happy with what's going on so far. I think now what's left is, well, this one's completely done. All I did was paint this middle section white, and I gave it 2 coats. So I was going for a stippling effect with this one. I just don't like how it turned out. I'm not very happy. And then for these two, what's left is for me to embellish them with some, oh gosh, do I want to do pink or do I want to do black?
Okay, so for this part, it's a little trick that I saw online, which is to use a rubber band, although the rubber band they had was a lot thicker than this. But since I don't have a thick rubber band, this is what I'll be using. Okay, so I've got this wavy random design thanks to the rubber band. And what I'll do is I'll paint this pink as well as the base so that it looks like it's been dipped in pink, like it's coming out pink. And so I think I'll put this one, I'll paint this part white once I'm done because I'm not sure about this stippling effect. It just isn't working for me. But for now, I'll use a nice flat brush to make sure I get the edges just right. Okay, you guys, the end results. Let me, actually, give me a second. Let me line them up so I can show you properly. It looks so pretty. I probably should have painted the inside white and this one black, which I will do. I guess I'll do that later. Oh, and I'm yet to remove this rubber band I told you guys about. It's not perfectly complete, but you know, we did it. DIY, you guys. I'm feeling really good about my little succulent situation. So I'm actually going for like a luncheon, a blogger's luncheon. That sounds so pretentious. I don't know, it just sounds blogger's lunch. I don't know, but I'm going for this thing where we're having lunch. And I just wanted to show you my outfit. I live in jeans. I literally live in jeans. So I'm gonna pull that move that people do on Instagram, and yeah, that's my little outfit situation. Jeans that I barely take off. This top that I showed you guys in a video like 2 weeks back, I think maybe 3 weeks now, but it's a beautiful one shoulder top with this beautiful bell sleeve that's sheer. It's great. Very comfortable. Let me tell you something, I can eat for 2 in these jeans and I won't be dying pretty much. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready and then I'll take you guys with me. We can go have lunch. I also need to do my hair, but we'll do that as well. Or should I wish I had I knew how to add like hair extensions, because I would just do the same cornrows but then make them really thick and long. Oh, that would be perfect. Beyoncé. Today I come at you with winged liner. See that? Last time was blue eyeshadow, now it's winged eyeliner. Meanwhile,
Am I shiny?
Patricia is
Shining,
here. Shining, shining. Patricia, bright.
Shining bright like Patricia Bright. And you know, I discovered Patricia Bright because of her Beyoncé.
Beyond me too. Me too. And I remember watching it and not being sure if she was joking or not.
Yeah, or she was being for real.
If you guys have just started watching Patricia Bright, right? Or maybe you didn't know, there's a video that she did like 5-6 years, a long time ago, where she's making fun of Beyonce. Don't make her face.
It's just interesting.
Okay. Is it the alcohol?
Yeah, you know, I haven't had a drink in a while, like maybe 2-3 days.
Okay.
So it's just like the taste of alcohol.
That's
I wasn't
shocking.
expecting it to be. It's like a dry vermouth in the drink. So.
Okay, fancy. Anyway, my point is, you need to watch Patricia Bright playing Beyonce and doing her makeup, like pretending she's trying to be all Beyonce. Beyonce. Anyway, so Beyonce inspired my wing liner. What did she inspire in you today?
Nothing.
I guess she hasn't inspired anything in you today.
No, I mean, Beyonce is an inspiration every day. So there's nothing I can say specifically today that she inspired, aside from, you know, a zeal and a zest for excellence and, you know, just wanting to slay. I want 3 children now. If I could have triplets now, so that I can be a mother of 3 like Beyonce.
Jeez, the things she does. Anyway, I just...
Her boots.
And her body, just everything is just perfection. I'm gonna come back at you later because my arm is dying.
Jazz Club.
Here you can see the girl, she's modeling.
Outfit, all black, which is my thing. It's my thing right now. Anyway, you guys, I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. Thank you for keeping up with the slightly discombobulated several day vlog.
Keeping up with the Kardashians.
Keeping up with us, guys. I'm sure you can tell who's behind the camera. It's Pat.
Who is it?
It's Patricia. Wait, you should see what's happening back there. Oh, well, they were still doing.
So she's walking around with paparazzi nowadays. Look at that. Hey, come on. Sharon.
Thank you for watching, and oh, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, now bye for real. For real.
Yeah, guys. Hi, guys. My phone is ringing. I don't know what to do. Like maybe I should pick it up. Maybe. Hello.